For all of us who enjoy binge-watching series, reading books, playing the guitar, listening to music, or gaming in a laid-back style, we have just designed the most comfortable coffee table the world has ever seen. It's a stylish Scandinavian design that looks great in any living room. But it has a secret. It opens up, like Aladdin's cave, to reveal a soft, lush surface so you can put your feet up in total comfort. It is the perfect table for anyone who likes to veg out on the sofa. Even for a romantic dinner and movie night, you don't need to ruin the mood by getting up and clearing everything away. Just slide the top open, put your feet up, sit back, snuggle up and relax. Don't worry, your glass of wine will still be within easy reach. This table is also wonderful for pausing your card games or activities in the lounge. From jigsaws, kids' art sessions, plasticine, Lego, just close the protective lid and restart anytime. The patent pending design has gone through many prototypes and iterations and has been tried and tested for over a year in real homes with real people to get to a fully working and functional concept. It was then put into the hands of a renowned designer who gave it the beautiful and sleek look it has now. The table is of high quality, manufactured in the EU by a company that has been making furniture for decades. We use only ecologically sourced materials from sustainable forests, and the tabletop and sides are made from solid beech wood. The cushion covers are removable and machine washable, so you can choose your colour to suit your mood or style. The project is in its final stages, so you won't have to wait forever to get delivery of the table. The prototype is finished, the manufacturer is primed and ready to go, so as soon as the campaign finishes, we will shortly start shipping your table out to you. Support us now and make your life in the living room so much more comfortable.